Good morning and happy Thursday, fourth grade. Today we're going to focus on how we can summarize informational text using details. Our learning target is summarizing a text by briefly restating the main idea, and key details will deepen your understanding of the information you read. All right. Writers of informational texts organize their information around main ideas and key details about a topic. So again, some review on what we're working on and what those specific pieces are. To summarize a text, you're going to briefly restate the main idea and key details about the topic. Only include details that are important, details that answer questions about the main idea. Put your information in an order that makes sense, and be sure to use your own words. So we're going to read the following text, and we're going to work towards summarizing it. Okay? Maybe not so much that one. All right. This one is about the toothbrush, which is nice because we all have a little bit of information on the toothbrush. We all know a little bit something. Now we're going to know a little bit more. Even the toothbrush has a history. The toothbrush has a history dating back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used toothbrushes made from the frayed ends of twigs. In the 1400s, the Chinese invented the first bristle toothbrush. The bristles were made from pig hairs attached to a bamboo handle. In 1938, the invention of nylon led to a modern toothbrush made of soft bristles. These improvements led to today's toothbrush, which comes in all shapes and sizes. But the basic job of the tool has not changed much. The toothbrush is still used to keep our teeth healthy and clean. All right, so what we're working on is being able to summarize using details from text. So if I were to say the main idea is, let's see if we can get this. If I were to say the main idea is, the materials used to make toothbrushes have changed over thousands of years. I want to now go back into the text, and I'm looking for 3 specific details that are key in adding to this main idea. Again, part of looking at information and being able to summarize means we need to know where to look and how to look. A lot of that goes back to close reading, a lot of the strategies that we've been using all year. Okay? So something we can do for close reading is to reread, and it's okay to read it several times to make sure that you believe that you're getting all of the best, most important information to write your summary. So, if our main idea is that the materials used to make toothbrushes have changed over thousands of years, I'm looking for 3 key details, similar to what we might see in a graphic organizer type. Okay, so we have our main idea, we need 3 key details, and then we need our summary written out. The summary is going to include our main idea and those 3 details in the order that we are writing them. Again, the details are going to occur in which we are reading them. So we talked about how it's important to have an organized piece of thought or writing, and making sure if you're going to pull evidence from the text, best practice is starting from the beginning. Is there evidence that we can include as key detail 1? Okay, we're going to start at the top, not at the bottom, okay, and pulling from here in order as much as we can. All right, so if I were to tell you that one piece of detail that I think should be included, I would probably go and start, Egyptians used toothbrushes made from the frayed ends of twigs. Does that help me to support my main idea. The materials used to make toothbrushes have changed over thousands of years. Well, am I talking about the toothbrush? Yes. Am I talking about the material of the toothbrush made from the frayed ends of twigs? Yes. Am I also talking about how it has changed over the years? Okay, Egyptians, one of the first people, okay, used toothbrushes made from the frayed ends. That tells me where some of the first kinds of toothbrushes began. So this is my first key detail. If I were to look right after that sentence, anywhere between here and here, now I'm looking for key details for number 2 and key detail number 3. That is your assignment for today. Looking up key detail 2, key detail 3, but then finally summarizing your information. All of the information that you have to write a paragraph, a summary on your inference is all included in your graphic organizer. Main idea, you got it. Key detail 1, you got it. Key detail 2 and 3, you are going to look for. And again, you're looking to see how you can add information that is key, important, essential, vital, that supports your main idea. Okay? So once you have found key detail 2 and 3, you're going to just write a summary about that. You can start your summary with your main idea. You can start your summary with a different sentence. I want you to stick with this main idea because it covers pretty much everything that that paragraph talks about. Okay? All right, so you're going to upload your assignment to Canvas. If you have questions, please ask. All we're doing today is continuing the work that we started as 4th graders. We're going to continue to push ourselves and simply try. Work hard and do your best, 4th grade. You guys got it. All right, you got questions? Please ask. Otherwise, upload to Canvas and do your very best.